What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go with our friend Matic, currently sitting at 93 cents, up 3.4 on the day. Sitting market cap up 8.07 billion, 24-hour volume 264 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to 30K in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, just email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So we've seen a little bit of a push up. Nothing to get too excited about just yet unless we can break this high. If we can break this high, then we bounce off the 0.5, which is perfectly okay for a wave 4. We can push up in a wave 5. But if we fail to break that high, we roll over, and then we can see that continuation to the downside. But as of right now, we'll see what happens when New York trading hours open, because if we do break these highs, what we might see, what you see a lot of times with a rising wedge, is it will break down and people will go short, and it will trickle back up and liquidate those shorts and retest the wedge once again before breaking down. We talked about that happening previously. I did think the breakdown was going to begin here, which is definitely still on the table unless we can come up and break those highs, and that would be more confirmation you are going to push up in a wave 5 to the upside. Now we keep flirting with these EMAs. We broke below them, and now we're back above them here, holding the bullish cross. So we do have a nice little bull flag pattern. So if that does end up breaking out, then that's when you could see a nice little push up to about $1.10. Just be very cautious of potentially putting in a head and shoulders pattern, as we talked about yesterday. So we'll look at the price of Ethereum. As you can see, same thing. We did bounce. We talked about the potential, the last chance bounce for ETH, and we have started to bounce to the upside. But it all depends if we break these highs. If we break these highs, then you can push all the way up to the downsloping resistance of the descending broadening wedge in that wave 4. However, if we do fail to break those highs and we simply roll over, then you can see that continuation to the downside. So we'll have to see what happens today during New York trading hours, if they can push the price to break those highs. That's the key level to break here at about 12.98, which is also the point of control, 12.90. As you can see, we've been covering that for quite a while. So we'll see if the bulls have the strength, or if we simply get rejected once again and continue to descend to the downside. We've been also talking about this resistance line that's pulled straight through, and we already have 2 touches of resistance and now a third. I did say the best case scenario is we break it and see a bull trap and then break back down. So we'll see if we can break it and see that push to the upside. I do think it will be a bull trap here. But if we simply get rejected once again, then you can see that continuation to the downside. So just trade very cautiously, in my opinion. That's basically it for this little update. As I mentioned with Matic, it all depends if we can break those highs. If we do, then what I'm looking at is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and potentially push up to retest the rising wedge here before seeing continuation to the downside, as my target is still in the 40 to 50 cent range. And if we fail to break those highs, we roll over, then that's when we can see that continuation down to about 60 cents. We'll have to see what happens here during the New York trading hours, as I've been mentioning. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals, which can be very helpful along your trading journey. Just remember, I'm not your financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, goes a long way, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.